Hi, it's Dr. Laura here, and today's Spring Equinox, and it gives us a beautiful reminder. Balance is not weakness, balance is power. Equal light does not mean that life is suddenly perfect. It means there is wisdom in noticing when things have tipped too far and then making a grounded correction. A lot of people think balance has to be dramatic to matter. It does not. Sometimes balance looks like one deeper breath before answering, one clearer boundary, one less thing on the list, one honest no, one intentional pause. That is not laziness, that is embodied intelligence. Pick one small adjustment today and let it restore about 5% more steadiness to you. This works because the nervous system trusts what's realistic, and small, doable shifts create lasting regulation better than big performative ones. You do not have to earn renewal through exhaustion. Balance itself can be a source of strength. Thank you and namaste.